This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, dusk-sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Lakewood Fordland is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 11595 West 6th Avenue in Lakewood.